Okay, here we have a 1955 Sun. Was it Motorcycle 1? There's it is. 98 cc's of raw power, raw Villiers power. Andy Tiernan Classics.
Yeah. Unusual little bike, Peter. We thought it was a James, and the owner who sold it, we thought it was a James, till we saw the logbook. Yeah. It's clearly says Sun. Yes, definitely. They're very similar. James and Sun. Just the tank's sort of square, isn't it? And it's a slightly heavier proportions. Yeah. There we are.
There we go.
It's got a Villiers-y headlight on it. And,
not a lot to it, really, is it?
no, it's a good little thing, isn't it? Proper little bike.
A 2-speed Villiers engine.
Not much to say about the controls, is there?
Not really. No, we've got a strangler on the carburetor for choke, particular fuel tap down for on.
Yeah. Not too much on the controls in the front of it.
No.
Regional levers.
No,
We've got levers.
Yeah, we've got the clutch, front brake, and the gears are neutral in the middle.
Yeah.
High is that way and low is the other way.
Yeah.
Self-explanatory, really.
You give it a little toodle and start him up.
We've only roared around the yard on this, haven't we?
Yeah. Engine sound well enough, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, he's gone off for another circuit.
Here comes the Sun.
Yeah, here comes it. He's arrived with a brand new back tyre. I don't think there's any shortage of oil on that barrel bear.
A bit smoky.
Yeah.
Ideal for a low emission zone, I think.
Yeah, good old Sadek, isn't it? Here we go. It is historic, you can't stop it. So, a few things it wants doing. It needs wiring, doesn't it?
Yes, it's got no electrics are connected up.
But the switch and the lights all there.
Yeah.
First gear's good, isn't it?
First gear's good. Second gear, it wants to keep jumping out of second gear, and we think there's a dog gear inside the gearbox, and if you fit that the other way or the wrong way round, that can jump out of gear, which is exactly what it's trying to do.
Yeah.
So we suspect it's that needs swapping round.
Yeah, they look like they should be round one way, and in fact they're the other way.
Yeah, we've made that mistake.
Yeah, we had to ring Steve at Villiers Services, and he puts us all right.
It's in there, but it'll want tweaking.
Yeah, well, this is it.
Yeah.
A very rare little motorbike. There we are.
Lightweight thing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a good little old fella.
Yep.
There we go. What more can we say?